Hey, what are you doing in my kitchen? No, I'm trying a new thing. You know, after my last episode where I was whining about not getting enough subscribers, well, I noticed on YouTube, a lot of creators start off their videos by making coffee or a pot of stew or something. They don't say anything. They just open up with this artistic way of living. I don't know. I thought I can make tea. So, trying to be better, right? Michaela's not feeling so well today, so I thought I'd give her a break, go check on Monty, our motorhome, and I was hoping that you'd come along with me. It's a short drive, beautiful day, and I want to share with you thoughts that I have for changing the channel after my whining session last week, which was so pathetic, but so many of you helped me out. So let's go for a ride with my tea, which I so artistically made this morning. Quite proud of it. Bye, Annie. I'm going. See you later. Okay. Love you too. Okay, we're off. Some of you may be wondering where we are right now. We're in a little seaside town of Sydney, which is on Vancouver Island, which is off the west coast of British Columbia, Canada. Sydney is a small town of about 12,000 people. It's about 18 miles or 30 kilometers north of Victoria, and Victoria is really the center of the population for Vancouver Island, with about 500,000 people in that immediate area. Think of Vancouver Island as a pretty big island. It's about 460 kilometers long, so that's about 285 miles long, and it's about 100 kilometers wide at its widest part, which is about 60 miles in width. The entire population on Vancouver Island is about 900,000 people, so you can tell that most of the people, over half, live in the southern portion around Victoria. And Sydney's just this little hideaway before you get to Victoria if you come from the mainland on the ferries. Sydney's on a peninsula. We have water on three sides, and it doesn't take long to get from the little town core out into the countryside, where it's absolutely beautiful with large acreages. And this is where we'll find Monty. Hello, Monty. We've arrived. I think I can get in here just by undoing the zipper. I guess that's how you usually get into things, undoing the zipper. Oh, I think I can do this. I think I can squeeze through. My tea must come with me, though. Kind of spooky in here. As you can see, Monty's put away for a few months until we leave for Mexico in January. So Michaela's opened all the cupboards up. We've got heat on at the back. Yeah, it's nice and warm in here. And the cover, you can see the gray on the outside of the windows. So the heat's on. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, that feels good. Feels good. Okay, not a whole lot to see here. We'll do a tour of Monty another time when there's actually light on. Okay, so let's go sit down. I just want to talk with you about something. Okay, I'm going to make this video brief. I want to thank everybody who commented last week when I presented our situation with low views and low subscribers and so on. Tremendous response, and everybody was really helpful. Even the person who put up this comment, you know, he nailed it, and I told him so. It's too bad he chose to say it in the way that he did, but I guess we all have ways of communicating, right? So thank you to even that person, but really helpful ideas. So what we're going to do is this, and this is all based on comments that we've received from you guys. We're going to change the name from Bridging Borders to This Old RV. Many of you said Bridging Borders, you know, it's not the best name. it doesn't really relate to RV travel necessarily. So, and it's kind of confusing because there's other Bridging Borders videos out there, YouTube channels that have nothing to do with RV travel. So we're going to eliminate that name. From now on, it's This Old RV. We're old. Monty's old. This Old RV sounds perfect. We're going to start to, just as this person said in that comment that I just posted, we're going to stop using old footage. I know I've been doing that. I've been running out of things to use, so I go back in our travels and I pull out stuff and I create a new video. But that's not good. So I'm going to get away from that and just do current stuff. Like right now, this is November and it's going to be current. So we'll do that. We're also going to start to share more coverage about the towns that we go through. And that's why I thought maybe I'll show a little bit of Sydney where we live, just a little clip to give you an idea where we are. We're going to try to interview people or show our interactions with people that we meet along the way. That's another really important part. We're going to, what else are we going to do? Hang on. And as the name implies, This Old RV, well, this is an old RV. It's a 27-year-old motorhome. It does need maintenance all the time. So we're going to start showing videos on modifications, improvements, renovations that we're doing to Monty. It's a constant thing with Michaela and I. So we look forward to that. We're going to start to just interact a little bit more, show more of our real life and not be, we'll never be flowery, we'll never be polished, so please don't expect that. But we may show you more personal type things about our life. And for some of you, you may say, well, yeah, I don't really care about that. Others may find it interesting the way that we live, because I know I do on YouTube. I like to get to know the people there. And if it's just always polished stuff that always goes right, well, that's kind of boring, right? And we're going to publish more frequently, every week if possible. So I need to work on that. I can't afford to talk to you too much longer today, folks. Sorry, I got to go because I've got a schedule to meet now that I'm doing weekly videos. Thanks for joining me and us. Michaela and I, we are really grateful for all of you who commented. You've made our day, and you've made it such that we want to stay alive on YouTube. See you on the road. No, we'll see you next week, okay? And we're going to publish more frequently, every week if possible. I'm really going to work on that. Oh,